However, I must say the guys started better. Normally, when you start a game, we always start out very flat. Today, the guys were very assertive. We had a couple of chances, we missed those chances, unfortunately. So go back in the train, work on on some shooting and so on to score more goals. I think the guys they held their own today. They came up victorious. Hard fought victory. Them is an excellent team, and we're happy we're victorious today. Kudos to my keeper Davian Chambers. He did an excellent job today, and for saving all those penalties. So I'm very grateful. For the finals, we're going to on Friday. We'll come in all guns blazing. Mr. School 1/6th anniversary, and we hope to give them a gift come Friday.
My team played well in spurts today. We saw the brilliance that they can produce, as you saw. I was a little disappointed in the fact that we didn't put the game to rest during the run of play. But I'm excited to play Monroe, as during the league we lost to them 2-0. I was out, and I'm looking forward to it, and I know my team is up to the task. We are the defending champions, and we intend to defend our title.
3 pack Alaska, 4 pack Alaska, 5 pack Alaska, 6 pack Alaska, 7 pack Alaska, 8 pack Alaska, 9 pack Alaska, 10 pack Alaska. Come here,